Good morning guys, we're about 30 nautical miles off the coast of Malaysia. There's a large number of anchored vessels, especially oil tankers. Most probably don't have a charterer, so they're anchored here and they're waiting for their orders. Also you may find LNG carriers, but not too many, and cruise liners which are off the coast. So we're going to head now down towards the Horsburgh Lighthouse, which is about 30 miles ahead of us, and we'll navigate with a safe speed and we'll enter inside the Malacca Straits. So today is going to be a very, very busy day, especially in the Singapore area, where there's going to be a large number of vessels which are anchored and transiting the strait. So, hope you enjoyed today's episode. All the best.
The Horsburgh Lighthouse is an active lighthouse which marks the eastern entrance to the Straits of Singapore. It is situated on the island of Petra Branca. I have come across with a twister at different locations around the world, but this time I see one on my port side. The weather conditions in the Straits are not stable, and you may encounter changes from a sunny day to a squalls, which are strong winds of gusts of up to 50 knots, which require your attention. You need to navigate safely since these squalls reduce the visibility in the Straits. Special attention also shall be given to the vessels that are at anchor, since these need to monitor their position because they may be dragging their anchor due to the squalls. So, let's move on. While navigating in the Straits, the bridge watch manning level shall have the master or the chief officer having the con, the officer on watch, and two ABs, one for hand steering and one for maintaining a proper lookout. You may call in an additional officer if you require. Not to forget to mention that my good friends, the chief engineers, are down in the engine control room with the guys maintaining a watch. It is very important to mention that while you are navigating in the Straits, your engine or engines shall be in the maneuvering zone, which gives you about 12 knots. That's approximately a speed of about 12 knots, so that you can stop your vessel as fast as possible and navigate safely in the Straits. Special attention to all seafarers out there is to be given to the outgoing vessels exiting their anchorages, which may join the traffic separation scheme or may cross in order to join the opposite direction lane. The VTS, the Vessel Traffic Separation System, shall be monitored on the VHF, which they have the specified channel for the area, in order to receive advices of the anticipated traffic that may affect your passage in the area. As you may see, on our starboard side, above the fans, there's a tanker which is exiting the anchorage and is currently shifting anchorage from the east going to the central. That was informed by the VTS. While navigating in the area, distractions may occur. The bridge team needs to focus on the safe navigation of their vessel, since this is their top priority. The EGDIS alarms, the radar alarms, a call on the phone on the bridge, or the communication from other vessels is something that may distract you. I advise all of you out there to keep your attention on the safe navigation of your ship, since this is very, very important for everyone. the Raffles Lighthouse. This is a turn which we will change our heading from a southwest heading to northwest heading. This is the largest course alteration that we do in the area, and the change with a rate of turn of about 10 degrees per minute in order to come to the northwest heading, as I said. Then you'll pass on the starboard side, the Sudong Special Purpose area, where all the gas carriers and some oil tankers anchor in the vicinity. Once again, special attention on the starboard side, since you will have coastal vessels, tankers, barge vessels which will be sailing on the opposite direction, and of course there may be vessels outbound from the anchorage on the starboard side from Sudong Anchorage. After passing Raffles, attention is to be paid onto the vessels calling to Singapore coming from the west. These vessels usually intend to cross the TSS, the Traffic Separation Scheme, and in some instances they do have on board a marine advisor who is usually picked up on 1 fathom, and they will sail with the vessel and they will assist the captain in order to navigate into the Malacca Straits in order to proceed to Singapore. When everything's clear and no traffic is causing concerns, speed can be increased in order to overtake the vessels, but you continue to monitor the surrounding waters since there may be possibilities of swells. So, increasing speed. The whole passage takes around 20 hours with a normal speed of 30 knots. While sailing in these waters, you may encounter large number of fishing vessels, yachts, and all types of vessels navigating worldwide which pass through here. The importance of the Malacca Straits serves as the main shipping route connecting the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, which it makes it one of the most important shipping lanes in the world. Our passage for today has come to an end. I would like to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Until next time, I wish you all the best.